The HeartHero AED is a very strong unit, but having in a protective case protects it further. Also, with the case, you've got some added benefits. You can pop the unit inside, so you can still see all the main display on the front for your checks. When you open it, you can, inside here, also have a AED prep kit. Now, it doesn't come with the AED prep kit, but we can supply it with the kit if you need to. So in here, you've got the gloves, you've got the razor and scissors and things, everything you need to work with the AED. Also on here, you can store 4 batteries, which means you could have spare batteries for the unit as well, all built within the case. The unit itself is very strong. It literally closes by pushing it across and then just velcroing it back in place. And because it's got a handle on the top, you can put it inside an AED cabinet, on a hook in the office, or if you're carrying it around, it's a nice easy way of carrying the AED around.